Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review video on some snacks that I recently had. I think these are pretty good. I tried the Lay's Flamin' Hot Dill Pickle flavored chips, and I tried the Cheetos flavor shots cheddar jalapeno flavored asteroids. These are really good as well. Oh, and then I want to show you guys my new mask. One of my coworkers, family members, or something I don't really know, make masks. So they the one that made the one that I had all the hats on it mask, and they made me a beautiful ex-lover one. It's so cute. So yeah. I wanted it to the side, so my name is pretty long, so it's going to the side, so you're gonna see me like that on this side. So that's how I wanted it. So let me try these out. I already tried them already, but I wanted to eat them on camera. This is the second time I had these. You can taste the little pickle in them. This is the third time I had these. I had them yesterday and I had another bag this morning, well earlier today. And I love jalapenos. Well, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to be making more videos. Hopefully, this is my last channel. So, alright. Deuces, guys. Deuces.